2. Combine or merge multiple files into one PDF file with PDF Image Printer 12. You can easily combine files into a single PDF file with Peernet's PDF Image Printer. The following instructions also apply if you are using a raster image printer. We will combine a Word document, a JPEG image, an Excel spreadsheet into a single PDF file. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. The append option is off by default, so we need to create a new profile and enable this feature. Double-click on the PDF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the PDF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the PDF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to PDF Image Printer. Select Manage Profiles. Create or copy the system profile, Adobe PDF, using the copy icon on the tile. This profile already creates a PDF file. We only need to enable the append feature. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Combined to PDF, and enter a description such as Combined to Single Multi-Page PDF. The output type is already set to Adobe PDF Multi-Paged, which is what we want. To turn on the Combined feature, enable Append Pages to an existing file. Click Save and Back, and close the Profile Manager. Select Printer Management. Beside PDF Image Printer, drop the box for the printing profile and select Combine to PDF as the default profile. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Open the first document you want to convert to PDF. Select File, Print. Select the PDF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to the PDF Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new PDF file. To add a JPEG image to the end of the new PDF file, open the JPEG image in your favorite image viewer. Select File, Print. Select PDF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to PDF Image Printer. In order to merge the PDF file to the previous PDF file we made, we must save the file in the same location and assign the same file name. Click Save to append the PDF files. Next, to add an Excel spreadsheet to the PDF file, open the Excel spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Select File, Print. Select the PDF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to the PDF Image Printer. Again, in order to merge this PDF file to the previous file we made with the Word document and JPEG image, we must again save the file in the same location and assign the same file name. Click Save to append the PDF files. Now we have created a single PDF file from our Word, JPEG, and Excel documents. You can speed up the merging process by designating the output location and output file name directly in the profile. Reopen the Combined to PDF profile that we created. Under the Save options, set the output location and output file name as your PDF file that was used in the previous steps. For further automation, you can disable prompt for the output location and base file name so that you are not prompted by the Save dialog each time you print. Click Save and back, then close the Profile Manager and the dashboard. Open another file. Select File, Print. Select PDF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to the PDF Image Printer. We have now automatically merged this document into our existing PDF file without being prompted. Try out our PDF image printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below for a free trial.